We were about starting the digitalization in UPC. One of the important steps we knew was the system digitalization and adoption of our legacy stack. We were looking for a solution which allow us to build in a simple way interfaces between new digital components and legacy apps. For the solution which does not require changes in the legacy system and where interfaces can be built internally, also by people without programming skills. It's very flexible and really simple in use. It can be used practically with any data source, and interface is built automatically. It's very convenient in our organization where we have many IT specialists with deep knowledge of the system, but not always programming skills. It allows them to be independent from the vendor and build interfaces without any vendor involvement. The OpenLegacy works with the Docker container platform. In our case, it's the Google Anthos, and it makes it really easy, scalable, and performing without issues. We were considering implementation of the one widely offered in the market API integration platform, which was supposed to address partially our need of existing API transformation. Finally, we found out that OpenLegacy fits much better to our needs.
Whatever we do, we always do it to simplify processes for our IT guys, but also for our business. So with OpenLegacy, we could speed up significantly creation process for new APIs to get necessary information from the legacy system. Just an example, we've been using this for our new self-care solution. So that's a flexible tool which can easily address changes and which will significantly enable us the availability, possibility of working in agile delivery and absolutely reduce the cost of creation new solutions. So it's easier for team and it's easier for business. Stability and flexibility of the Kubernetes implementation was also a big attitude of OpenLegacy platform. It was one of the key drivers, so avoiding net vendor lock, but also having possibility to use general skills and any kind of knowledgeable resource to develop tool, it's very important for us. So we have very negative experience in the past in UPC with vendor lock. So currently our strategy is to avoid vendor lock whenever it's possible.
We could reduce average time to market of the new APIs creation from almost 2.5 months to less than 3 weeks. It's actually a reduction of over 70% of the human resources we usually need to create a new API. In the business, we see faster customer service response time and cost savings in the engineering and vendor costs.
Yes, we will definitely continue the journey with OpenLegacy. Currently, OpenLegacy is a recommended solution by UPC architecture team for exposing APIs for legacy systems. It will be widely used in the digital transformation, but not only. We will also use it for other UPC solutions.
Yes, tool is really easy and user-friendly. Short training and initial OpenLegacy team support was enough for UPC team to start using the tool in an efficient way after 1 week. Developer Studio is based on the Eclipse, famous Java integrated development environment, IDE, and this is big advantage, especially for Java programmers. Tool creates standard Java binaries, which can be deployed in any Java server. What is not that common, we have constant OpenLegacy team support, and we receive regularly IDE upgrades.
It's definitely recommended for any development team which requires fast time to market solution and anyone who needs to create APIs for legacy systems. It gives speed, flexibility, and significant cost reduction.